Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Walgreens affiliate program, full guide step by step clearly. Scroll to the bottom of the home page. Look for the affiliate program link in the footer section. Click on the link to be directed to the Walgreens affiliate program page. On this page, find the Join Now or Sign Up button. Click the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Choose a secure password for your account. After entering your information, submit the registration form. Check your email for a confirmation message from Walgreens. Click the confirmation link to activate your account. Next, log in to your newly created account. Once logged in, you will be guided through the application process. Complete the application by providing necessary details about your website or online presence. Include information about your audience demographics and marketing strategies. Review all information to ensure accuracy. Submit your application for review. Wait for a confirmation email regarding the approval of your application. Once approved, log back into your account. Explore the dashboard to find promotional materials and affiliate links. Start integrating the links into your website or social media platforms. Monitor your performance through the tracking tools provided in your affiliate account. Maintain consistent engagement to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. Remember to stay updated on any changes to the program or promotional offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.